Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to refactor a folder on your email through the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, in the previous tutorials, I did demonstrate to you how to create a folder, file an email, how to stay organized. In this tutorial, we are looking to refactor an email folder, which will then move that folder within a folder. Let's now go to Inbox, where we have new folder 2. Within the inbox, I would right click this. I can move the folder, and then now I will be required to type the name of the destination folder in the search box. New folder, click on this. Now go to move. As you can see, new folder 2 is now within new folder. If we were to, let's just say, move that back, we can take that folder and drag into Inbox for it to refactor again. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.